National Bureau of Investigation, or NBI, is turning the lens inward, launching a formal fact-finding investigation. This following the dramatic, at the same time, comic chase and attempt to serve an ICC arrest warrant on the longest absentee, Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa, who finally showed up yesterday for some reason. With the NBI director confirming that the senator pushed two female NBI agents in an alleged bid to evade custody. As Gab Villegas tells the full report.
The National Bureau of Investigation will conduct a fact-finding investigation regarding the chase that occurred between their agents and former PNP chief and current Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa. According to NBI Director Attorney Melvin Matibag, there is no truth to the claims that de la Rosa and the NBI agents engaged in wrestling. Matibag explained that Senator Bato boarded the vehicle of another senator, and when the warrant was about to be served to him, he pushed two female NBI agents.
Sa CCTV, ang mga nakasunod sa kanya, mga staff niya, may dalang maleta, nakita nyo. Hindi ko lang alam kung ano laman ng maleta, ha? Pero suppose damit, kasi doon siya mag-i-stay eh. Dala yung maleta, pumasok siya sa kwarto. Pag sinundan mo hindi totoo yung sinabi niya doon sa floor na tinakil siya, nag-wrestling sila. Walang ganon. At kaya siya nasugatan, not is because inflicted ng mga agents, but nadapa siya eh. Kitang-kita, nadapa doon sa staircase eh. Natukod niya yung kamay. Literally, evading arrest. Ano? So, tinanong nga sa akin yan, ba't daw may habulan, nagtakbuhan? Sabi ko, tumakbo ko kaya hinabol. Kung hindi siya tumakbo, walang habulan.
Senate CCTV footage shows that those behind De La Rosa while he was fleeing from the NBI agents were all staff members of the senator. According to Matibag, their agents were 3 meters away from the senator. Matibag also stated that the plan for the intended arrest of De La Rosa was properly laid out. Matibag stressed that the warrant against the senator can be served at any time.
Maganda yung plano, no? Ang point of view nga natin dito, senator to law enforcement, it will be done within the Senate premises. I think everybody will behave accordingly. That is our assumption. Is a senator, is an elected senator, former chief, PNP chief, is a general, police training, di ba? So yun yung profile, di ba? So the plan is okay. It was planned properly. There's a coordination with the Senate security. So, ano yan, maayos yung pagpaplano. Actually, we can enforce the arrest anytime eh. Kahit na nag-session, but we need not do it. Because when there was a move already from Senator Marcoleta to put si Senator Bato into protective custody ng Senate, medyo hard line na yun eh. Magkakaroon na ng kis-kisan doon. We want to avoid it.
It was only yesterday morning that the NBI obtained a copy of the arrest warrant from the International Criminal Court against De La Rosa. The NBI will hold an interagency meeting with the Philippine Center on Transnational Crime and the Department of Justice to discuss the next steps to be taken. For now, the NBI has ordered its personnel to withdraw, but it will not abandon its mission to arrest the senator. Matibag has a message for the public.
Itayin po natin, let the justice system work. At kami po sa NBI, we are doing our best to do it properly also with less conflict. Medyo na po conflicted na. May nagrarally for the arrest, may nagrarally for his protection. Di ba po? So, leave it to the law enforcement and to the legal authorities para magawa po namin yung aming trabaho.
Gab Humilde Villegas from the National TV Network for New and Better Philippines.